Purify your lungs and end your cough. A homemade formula to purify your lungs and relieve cough. This time, we will make a syrup to purify your lungs and relieve bronchitis. Don't worry, we have a natural solution for you. First, we will peel a banana, ideally one that is well ripe. If you want a greeting in my next video, don't forget to like, comment and spread our videos. Then, we will let it rest for about 15 minutes. Once this time has elapsed, we will strain it. We will keep only the liquid, trying to extract as much as possible by pressing it. You can drink it like this, but I suggest adding honey. Honey, apart from improving the taste, has multiple virtues. Drink a glass of this liquid in the morning and you will be amazed with the results. This home treatment cleanses the lungs, calms bronchitis, and boosts the immune system. Bananas are an excellent fruit to strengthen our defenses. Try this syrup and you will not be disappointed.